You're gonna love the 2019 Honda Civic. With less than 35,000 miles on the experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic sedan. All it needs is you.